doing? Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And after about 40 years of collecting stuff, we're finally letting some stuff go here. This is a Panhead, Shovelhead, Kilometer, Tombstone, Speedometer. I don't know how many miles that is, but that's how many kilometers it has on it. This has been sitting in our showcase for years. So the trip meter does work. And if you notice here, the needle does move and comes back. I have to sell this as is because it's been sitting in our shop for at least 30 years at least. So what a nice piece for the unrestored bike. A great piece for your showcase or shrine or whatever you have. So we're selling it as is, and this would be a great addition for your collection. Okay, well, and also there's no broken tabs on anything. I mean, this is nice. Okay, thank you very much.